Good morning. This is my kitchen Christmas tree, and I want to show you the ornaments on it. The gingerbread ornaments right here, I made all these that are attached to the gumdrops. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make gumdrops garland. I'm not going to make any more gingerbread to go on the garland because I've had this for maybe 3 years. It stays very well. As you can see, the gumdrop stays very well. I really love this tree. I like gingerbreads. This year I'm not putting up so much gingerbreads. I've got more red truck stuff and I have downsided. But just to show you a little bit of what's on my tree, I have all sorts of fun stuff on there. And try to do everything with gingerbread. But what we're going to do today is, like I said, I'm going to show you how I do my gumdrops. So come along, get a comfortable seat, get a nice warm drink, and we'll catch up. Everyone, I'm back. I want to show you what you need. For the little single gumdrops, you want to use a little Christmas hanger or a big one, whichever one you decide to use. So we want to take a couple of those out. Here, we'll do different sizes. And do you want some sort of a long needle? I picked up these set of 3 needles at Walmart, and it just says Creative DIY. So these are quite large. I usually use this size right here. And you need some gumdrops. I wanted to get some multicolored ones, but I couldn't find some, so this will have to do. A little dab will do ya. You can see the sun's really bright behind me. I think I'm gonna have to get some Venetian blinds for this room too. I didn't want to, but it is what it is. You need some fishing line, or this here is some jewelry light wire. And I will show you right here. It's beading wire. That's what I'm gonna use right now because I couldn't find the fishing line. Running around with my head chopped off. So you're not gonna want to have to see me anymore. You're just gonna want to have to see how to do the gumdrops. And these will last from year to year. So I'm gonna pan you down and you can see what's going on. Let's see here. I want to get you nice and straight. Okay. I need to cut these because I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I'm pretty sure though. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to use this one, and it's 4 inches. That will do, yeah? And just for the little ones, I'm gonna cut off, let's see here. This usually is about 6 inches. So, let's see here. Should have brought my ruler, but I didn't. We're gonna call this 6 inches. This is really more than enough. I'm gonna actually go smaller. Cut it off if you want. You want to make a knot at the end, just like this. Just like this. Boy, the wind's still blowing here in Maine. My video that I put out yesterday, we lost internet. Oh, it's been hard. I have to upload on my phone. I don't get everything I want to do. You want to have clean hands because you are playing with some food here. So you want to take your needle. Want to thread this right in, just like this. Then you want to take a gumdrop. Whoops. Dropped it already. Whoops. No worries. Just like that. Let's see, we're not going to use this one. I just changed gears. You know, like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. we're gonna do this first. This is the single gumdrop. I'm gonna take it. You're gonna put it right up through. I got a little tree here. But I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna hang it right here. I'm gonna hang it right here on the tree limb. Actually, hang it right there. Just like that. Then we're gonna do a red one. I'm gonna take it and go right through. And like I said, these will last from year to year. They will get nice and hard and it will make it wonderful. We'll do one more. Just like this. And just so y'all bring it up, you can see. See here? 1, 2, and 3. Look how pretty that looks. And it will harden. Okay, now to the next one. Those are the single gumdrops. Now for the large one, probably use this. Because it all depends what you want to make it for. And I'm not sure what I'm making this for, but I'm demonstrating to you how to make the garland, the gumdrop garland. So you can make it any length you want. Okay, just like that. I'm going to thread the needle, just like this. And you want to take it, and you want to pierce the end of it. Go through the top, slide it on down. And you want to take a green one. Oh, I got a fly in here. Oh, I got a fly in here. It's very warm in here. I've got the heat going. It goes quick and easy, just like this. And what I'll do is I'll just clean off my needle when I'm done. Look at this. Look how easy this is. And it's beautiful. It really is. I hope everybody's having a good time crafting and cooking or whatever you should be doing. I am going to be doing some cooking videos here. I just been a little busy doing other things at the moment. And I'll just put a few more on so you can see. This will give you an idea at least how to make it. And like I said, I'll wash the needle in hot water. And usually this doesn't get all, what do I want to say, filled with candy gel like this. So these must be pretty fresh. But that's okay. It is what it is. And you just take it. You just take it and you slide it. Slide it right down. Just like that. A little dab will do you. And I'll just do a few more. I just had one in my hand. Oh, these are very, very fresh. I can squeeze these, they're so fresh. So that's how you do it, folks, just like that. And that's your garland. A needle, piece of metallic light wire, or fishing line. And now I'm going to show you the tree. I'm going to bring it up a little more, like this. And this is how it would look on the tree. And you just tie the other end off. Here you just cut it and tie it. How pretty is that? So I just wanted to show you how to make gumdrop garland. And there you have it right there. And you just slide these right down. And I'll show you here. You just take it, you cut it. I'm gonna wash this. Usually it's not sticky like this, but it is. It's so sticky I can't even get it. And you just knot this end, and this is knotted. There you go, right there. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so YouTube can recognize there's a lot going on here at MAINEiac Grammie's. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And again, this is Gum Drop Garland. And if you do it, enjoy it, have fun, do it with your kids, your grandkids, friends, whatever. Take it to a nursing home and do it with the senior citizens. They would love it. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. God bless. Bye now.